Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS wrapped in gold. This is just a beauty. Wow. This is, if it's your cup of tea. If it isn't, it is a white car. Could be white again. You could always enjoy the gold for now and then go back to white later, because white's a pretty hot color. But I didn't want to pull it off. I think it looks really cool in the gold. So there's the trunk, lots of room in it. And you can see that it was white and wrapped. So no paint harm has been done. It's just pull it off and you'll have a white car. There's a little brush in the gold wrap right there, but the white is clear right underneath. It's got NPP performance exhaust, so that sounds absolutely fabulous. And have a look here, it's got brand new Continental's Extreme contacts on it. So brand new tires, Brembo brakes, super looking flat black wheels. On the interior, leather, two-tone, SS seats, just gorgeous. Let me show you in the back seat there, the same thing, really nice. Fold down rear seat if you'd like. On the passenger side, you've got a passenger power seat, the Camaro that lights up, and super looking doors with the nice ambient lighting in it and the Bose sound system. So in the glove box, let's just check that out. Yes, the books are there. So we have the books, we're ready to go. Have a look in the door frames, a really nice, clean, tidy car. It did get a coat of rust proofing to keep it rust free. It's got black matte on the roof and a nice looking sunroof on it. Here's your front rim, looking outstanding, no curb rash, brand new rubber, super looking brakes, ready to go. Like brand new, man, beautiful, just 22K on it. Under the hood, that GM LT1 V8 engine, 460 horsepower with NPP performance exhaust. That is a smoking hot car, man. That thing flies. So got a little bit of rust proofing in there that you can see the little bit of rust proofing has been done. So other than that, nice, clean, tidy car. The hood mat's in great shape. Nice looking car. So close the hood. You can see that there was a seam up the middle. So it looks like two different panels here, but it's not. It's the same panel. It's just that you need to do it from one side so that when you're looking at the car from this side, it looks right. And when you do look at from the other side, it looks right. So good looking car, well wrapped, can easily be peeled off. Apparently $10,000 to wrap this car in this gold wrap. So there's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Looking outstanding, brand new tires, gorgeous. And back here, same thing. So a well-loved car, ready to go to your home. Here it is on the driver's door. You've got driver memory package, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the light-up Camaro signal down here. You've got the trunk release and Bose sound system. The power seat, 8-way power seat right there, in great condition, no worries, and a flat bottom steering wheel with SS embedded in it. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. That is wicked, man. So nice. So 22,430 are the kilometers. It's got my link with navigation, so it's just loading the nav. I shouldn't have stopped it, but there you go. It's also got the PDR on it. This is your mode shifter up here, so if I hit this button, you'll see up here we can switch it to track and hear it really roar. Nice. So NPP performance and select mode there. Down here we've got cooled seats, heated seats, automatic air conditioning, which is adjusted by turning this. It also displays on the screen up there. And then you've also got all your other jazz there. There's your 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters. You've got the controllable dash over here, much like the Corvette. So you can scroll through all of these and you can have nav right in your center screen right there, just like so. So that'll populate in a second, and there you go. There's your nav right in your dash. So you can have a bunch of different things there, fiddle with that and enjoy it. You've got your volume controls there, your station control over there, cruise control, and voila, a heated steering wheel. Beautiful. So over there is your heads-up display, which you can see right through there, and you can change those pages to anything you want, and then you can move it up or down by doing that. So all of those buttons right there. So fabulous car, love the interior, great color, excellent condition, 2 cup holders there. Underneath in here, you'll have line in and USB down there. You've got power right up here, and passenger heated and cooled seat and their own temperature settings right there. So good looking dash. Love the way they put that NAV right in the dash there. Listen to that exhaust. That is addictive, man. Have a look in the door frames as I'm getting out. And there you have it. So get a load of this from back at this angle. That's a pretty flashy looking car, man. You see that coming down the road from a mile away. Beautiful. Nice looking black spoiler, matches the blacked out roof line and then the blacked out bottom. That's a good looking machine, and it sounds wicked too, doesn't it? Listen to that thing chug. Gorgeous. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2016 Camaro 2SS wrapped in golden. Wow, bright. And it's here and available at munromotors.com. Just 22,000 kilometers, sunroof, NPP performance exhaust, black wheels, all kinds of little toys there. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.